There are many people who think about making their own YouTube videos, but they don't for various reasons. I was one of them, or actually I was one of them if you're actually watching this video right now. For so many years I've been thinking about starting out my YouTube channel and making my own videos. I have watched hundreds of videos on how to actually do it, but there was always a reason why I didn't do it anyway. Here are some reasons that may sound familiar to you. Other people. This might be the biggest fear of anyone wanting to start out. And for me personally, it was always about what if people that know me find out about it. And let me tell you, if you don't tell them, they won't know. If you do want to tell them, just think about how you would react when somebody you care about tells you that they are starting their own YouTube channel. I think that you would be pretty excited, right? The second reason, equipment. Just let me ask you a question. Do you have a phone? I'm guessing that the answer is yes, so that means that you have all the tools to start making your own videos. Your first videos don't have to be great, but the important thing is that you start. Don't worry about the quality of your first videos, because otherwise you won't upload anything. Don't compare yourself to other creators, because they have already been through the phase of getting started. And the third reason, the subject. A big problem when people want to start out is that they don't know what their videos have to be about. I totally get it. I have that myself too. For me, there are two ways that can help you out with that. The first one being, what content are you watching yourself? There's a pretty big chance that you're consuming content about a topic that you like yourself. Just take a look in your watch history on YouTube and see what kind of videos you are watching. Just take one of those videos and make a video about it yourself. Here's a quick example. You just watched this video. From this video, you could make many more videos. Maybe there were other reasons that were holding you back, or maybe you have other tips. Anything will do, just make sure that you always add your personal touch. Okay, this is going to be it for this video. I hope it helped out, and hopefully you are starting your own channel. Bye.